Haka kat artere Jemang Arhajar Arpunrio, Chief Electoral Officer Kejala Meghalaya, BDR Tiwari. Ula pente Tnad Election gla Pynkhreh ban Pyntreikam yaka Special Intensive Revision SIR. Katkum kapor keblabo dake Election Commission kari. Kane kajing jurep ban pensisha kinong tap vote kan bishar ya kajat dan lenech leng baki kimeki kpa negi kpa temen kibladan kerteng lupa. Rengkat bat gajing penbiang ya kisaki dagi identity certificate kibak election commission kari keladap penbit. Katkum ka Citizenship Act Uniu Chief Electoral Officer ula pensyai baga tarik bakhat do neka deadline naga bentai ke bakah India kadai kisitrik unaitung ka kandai sepak prapunyo. Badan cimru eka tarik uno opera arajar sau kabalalet bar kebalada penbet ha ke SIR ke Bamenshwa ha Meghalaya. BDR Tiwari ula penpau babaro kinau tri election kum di BLO bagi supervisor kila kloy ban pendap ikan kam ke bakentup ru ik jinglit bishar na ke bagi yeng shkawipan. Aga juga por ula kentu ik sengsan perthai bentung ya ki booth level agent kamtam namar ke jingtip alor kani kadang duna ke jela wala ke jing tri kalong ke basai. Lethoro bakumba prapo nak sispa ki kerteng ha ketup nang tap vote ke bamenta kila long ke beladap pencisha kabalong kadak ke babha swapan sedang ya kani ke SIR ha ke jela berok kawai.
SIR process, as you all are aware, it already happened in the two phases, first in Bihar and after that in the 12 state. And accordingly, SIR is the special intensive revision, and in this one, the entire voter list, they do the verification, and there are the three consecutive dates. First is the 1st July to 1987 as per the uh, Indian Citizenship Act. That is the deadline. Whoever born before that in India, they are Indian citizen by birth. And moreover, once the previous SIR happened in the states, in the so that deadline will also be taken, which is like December 2004 in the state of Meghalaya. So whosoever name is there, they just search the lineage, and accordingly lineage to be established for the verification of the existing voters, and as well as either their mother, father, or the in lineage the grandparents, they should be the voter at least in that one, and they have to produce in the people who are become a teen year after that, then they have to at least the lineage and all that, their previous record about the parents, grandparents, lineage, etc., and then along with the proof of identity, and that list of identity certificate is also been provided by honorable election commission. So we do the verification, and as it has already happened in other states. Similarly, Meghalaya is also ready for the SIR exercise as per schedule announced by Honorable. Schedule as per given by the Election Commission. Accordingly, the house to house survey will also be there, and the entire exercise as per schedule it will go.
Usually, how much time?
Usually, I can't say, whatever schedule will be provided, accordingly it will be there. So, as per the schedule. No, as per the census operation is already ongoing, it is notified, and schedule of SIR will be announced subsequently or in future by the Election Commission of India.
Because serious allegations have been raised on this exercise saying that it's targeting a particular community in the country, sir.
I can't comment over that, but wherever any no such complaint have been proven, and everything happened very transparent manner, very free fair manner, entire exercise across the country, and we are very confident it will be as per law and very transparent.
Lily, Pikalan.
Kanda Pyntreikam ni kapisa. Kali jauh na ni. Ba, ka hospital te kala ajngai nang ni.
Binti Ashwa hang ni hadu nda de por kamu.
Sister, hap siu kat no ma?
Ka sarkar kala siulut ikijing lut jing separo. Namar man ka way pa ka way ka min siem ka long ka bakordor.